so we have to put cash. That person is not important, but if cash is not received, then that person is important, remember. So Suresh, our customer, our customers are our debtors. Debtors are assets. Asset sold goods to Suresh means one more customer increase, mean asset increased. Asset increase, debit. Sales is what? Sales is income. Income increase, credit. So what debited? Suresh account debtor to sales. ऊपर देखो, cash account debtor to sales, because cash received. If cash is not received, that person's name account debtor to sales. That only the difference. Okay. So purchase will be debited, sales will be credited always. So you can notice the common behavior when you write the journal entry. Purchase always debit, no change in that. But sales always will be credited, because purchase why debited? Debit all expenses. Sales why credited? Credit all income. Sale is income for the business. Okay. So now bought machinery for cash. So furniture purchased. Sorry, not furniture, asset. Bought machinery. So when we purchase machinery for cash. So one aspect is what? Machinery is one aspect. Cash is another aspect. So machinery is asset. Asset is coming in. Machinery, new machinery is coming. So increase debit. Asset increase debit. Cash we have to pay. When we purchase machine, we have to pay cash. So cash also asset, but it is decrease. So credit. So what we write? Machinery account debtor to cash. Here this debit credit you have to see. What dr come, that will be first line. Okay. Now second, that one over. Okay. Next is uh, yes, machinery purchased over. Now withdrew cash from office for personal use. So this owner has taken some money, withdrew, that is called withdrawal. Withdraw from business for office use, for sorry, personal use. If office use, then it is for business purpose. Here he is withdrawing for what purpose? Personal use. So personal use, whenever the owner takes money, remember one new account will be opened, that is called what? Drawings account. Drawings account, and he has taken cash. So another aspect is cash. So drawings account is actually it is a reduction from the capital. Okay. So capital means what? Liability. Liability will decrease. So liability decreases means business liability will decrease. So it is debit. Liability decrease, debit. Liability increase, credit. Liability decrease, debit. Now cash has gone. Cash is asset. Cash also decrease. Asset decrease, credit. Okay. Asset increase, debit. Asset decrease, credit. The D, what D I and all I am writing for increase and decrease. Okay. So what is debit? Drawings debit and cash is credit. Drawings account debtor to cash we write. Next is paid rent. Paid rent. What paid? Rent paid. Paid means what actually you are paying is cash. Whenever paid received is there, one aspect will be cash. What you paid, rent will rent paid. So cash is asset. Asset paid means asset decrease. Asset decrease, credit. Now rent is expense. Expense increase. So debit. Okay. So rent account debtor to cash. You paid rent means your expense level increased. So rent account debtor to cash. Now next is paid wages. So simply we can say what will come here. What are the aspects? Wages is one aspect, cash is another aspect. Wages is expense, increase, debit. Cash is asset, decrease, credit. Okay. So cash account, wages account debtor to cash. rent account debtor to cash. All expense will come, that expense will be debited. Remember, okay? Rent paid, rent account debtor to cash. Wages paid, wages account debtor to cash. Next one is salary paid. What will come? Salary account debtor to cash. Okay? Same way. Then received commission. So commission salary I am not writing here. Same way. Salary account debtor to cash. Now received commission. We are receiving something. These are payments. So received commission means one aspect is what? Commission. What received? Commission received, but it is in the form of cash. So cash is another aspect. So remember, paid received word comes, one aspect will be cash. Another aspect will be what you received, that one. So commission is an income. So income increase. So income increase means what to do? Credit. Cash position, asset increase, debit. You are receiving money. So cash position also increase. Okay. So increase means debit. Understood? No? So this way we have to analyze and write. Okay. So because since it is beginning, that's why I'm explaining like this. Afterwards, no need to write this and all. You will be able to write directly without writing this process and all. Okay. So now I present the answer before you. So just we can check that answer also. Okay. So this is the journal format actually. So you can check out this way. You make a table and write. That's why I put in the journal entries also. Journal entry heading you give the business. If name is there for the business, that name you can include. Then date will be there. Then date column, particulars, LF ledger folio. So after studying ledger, you will understand what is this LF. Debit amount, credit amount. Okay, so thoroughly understand journal. Once you understand journal, then only you will be able to write ledger. Journal is the basic thing. Okay, journal, if you are able to write any transactions journal, then it is a very big success. Okay, after this whatever you study, then it will be very easy for you if you thoroughly understand this journal how to write, because identification of debit credit is the most important thing. If you identify correctly debit what, credit what, then it is very useful and beneficial for you. Then no tension afterwards. So because journal, after this journal will study ledger. So to prepare ledger from journal only we prepare ledger. If you commit mistake in journal, then ledger also will be wrong. After ledger we prepare trial balance. If ledger is wrong, trial balance will be wrong. After trial balance we'll make P&L account. Okay. So if trial balance is wrong, P&L account will be wrong. Profit and loss account, profit will be wrong. Balance sheet will be wrong after that. Understood? So it affects the entire process of accounting if the journal entries are wrong. Because from journal only you prepare ledger. From ledger will go to trial balance. After trial balance will go to P&L account. From P&L after that we will make balance sheet. Okay. So this process continues. So journal is the base. So understand it seriously and thoroughly understand. If any doubt you can ask me. Okay. So the way I explained in the video, just you can go through and check it. The answers are correct or not. Okay. So all those things only I discussed here. I'm not telling it one by one. Cash account debtor to capital purchase. So whatever debit I wrote, that will come in the first line. To cash is credit. All these two will be credit. Okay, this is credit. That is why credit amount will come in the next second line. See here, all second line, two, for two only we are writing here the amount, credit amount. So to Subhash, this 12,000. To cash. So whatever this there in the first line, account debtor, that is debit amount. Okay, this is debit amount. Purchase account debtor 12,000 debit amount. So first line indicate debit amount, second line indicate the credit amount. And what is there in the bracket? What I am writing in the bracket is called what? Narration. Narration is just an explanation of the transaction. In a short form you can write what is, for what purpose, or for what is the journal entry indicates, what transaction it indicates. So Ram started business with the cash, purchased goods for cash, sold goods to Rahu, furniture purchase, cash paid, like that. No, you can have a small narration or small explanation in the bracket. So you have to put in the bracket. So this is known as what? Narration. So with the narration you have to write as per CBSE rule for 12th examination. If 3 journal entries no narration, then your 1 mark will be cut. Okay, 1/3 mark will be reduced. So all journal entries are given here. You can just to go through this and pass journal entries. Okay, so these are the basic things, simple journal entries we studied, and next page also there. So last till last page. So go through this, understand it, and try to solve the question. Okay, so thank you so much. Take care. Bye.